yourself. Good afternoon, my beautiful people. I'm about to clean this chicken up. I'm about to make myself some good French fried chicken today. This is what I'm craving for. We gotta make sure we get all of these yucks out of the food from folks. And when I look inside the chicken, in this part here, right in the chicken, it's not clean properly. So guys, if you're out there, if you're a chef, and if you're cooking, please make sure you clean your chicken properly. Please take out all the stuff that's, not supposed to be there.
So guys, as you see here, I'm about to season up this flour. I do not have all the ingredients I should have with me, but I'm just gonna compromise and use what I have. I am missing, as I stated before, my peppermint and my paprika pepper and such like this, but I have my all-purpose, and all-purpose, tend to have everything in it. And you don't need salt. You don't need salt because all these seasoning already have salt in it. So I'm about to season this flour because I am making some French fried chicken. And when I'm done, you will see I have 2 eggs. I have milk. I have my seasoning here already. It's nothing fussy, it's nothing fancy, it's just me alone, and I'm just trying to show you, it doesn't matter, if it's only you alone in the house. You can cook something that is pleasing to you, and you don't have to go out and spend $20 or $30 to buy food. You can do it yourself. Another egg. And what you want to do, you want to mix it in. Now that the flour is seasoned, so guys, as you can see, I got my egg. This is my egg and my milk, and it's also seasoning. If you look, you can see that it's seasoning also with all the ingredients that we use. And this is the flour, and if you look closely, you can see also that the flour is seasoning also, but it just needed a little coloring, and the paprika seasoning would give you that flavor. I got some onion and scallion, hot scotch bonnet pepper over there, a little bit of thyme, and here you got my chicken that seasoned for maybe an hour and a half ago, and just sitting here. So you can see it's so thick and nice. I got my oil, my oil burning over here, and I'm still waiting for my rice to dry out. So there you go. So what you're gonna do now, before I cut this video off, what you're gonna do, you want to make sure that you dip your chicken into this milk an egg here. Either way, it's the same, but this is the way that, you know, I rather do it. And then you want to get it over here into your flour. Make sure it's in the flour. And voila. Got my coconut milk. Make sure I get everything out in it. I'm not ready to give it a stir as yet. Got my dry thyme. Got my Scotch bonnet pepper. Got my couple stalks of onions. I'm about to give it a stir right now. I don't use a lot of salt, but I did put like a teaspoon of salt in this already. So I'm just gonna leave it here, cover it up, let it go simmer down a little bit more. So yes, my friend, I'm here back in the kitchen again. As you can see, I should have started this video before I put the peas in the pot, but I'm cooking my red peas. This thing been cooking for quite a while because I am not using a pressure cooker, but it's fine. What I'm about to do now is I'm about to put my Grace coconut milk in it, and I also have some dry thyme here, and I also have pepper, and I also have my scallion. Also have my scallion. This is about two and a half stalks of scallion that I'm preparing for. So this is my rice, and this is actually the brown rice. So I'm gonna make sure I wash this rice really good. You know, you have to wash your rice. You know, you can't cook and you don't wash your rice. You gotta make sure you wash your rice real good, real proper. So you don't want to cook no form of nothing that's not supposed to be in your rice. You don't want to cook that. So you gotta make sure you wash your rice real proper. Friends, as you can see that my rice is almost finished cooking. And you can see that it is not soft. It's very shelly. And what I'm doing here, I'm giving it a proper stir. So in other words, I'm sinking it. So everything that's on top, making sure that it's incinerate down in the bottom, so everything can cook. What I'm missing here in my rice though is just my pimento. As you can look, it's look very good. This is what you call good green rice and peas. Yeah, looks good.